Unhappy with proposed reshuffling of ministerial posts, 14 BJP MLAs choke out plans to oust Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng. Forest Minister T.H. Shyamkumar says government has sent proposal to renovate State Zoological Garden to Wildlife Institute of India. Despite efforts of government to save endangered Manipuri pony, one mare of the endangered breed succumbed to injuries caused by iron spikes of a fence. And documentary on Northeast folk music and instrument will be telecast for the first time in Myanmar by Yangon-based Mijima Media Group. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You are watching Primetime English News. I'm Ibeto Tokchong with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Unhappy with the proposed reshuffling of ministerial posts in the state, 14 BJP MLAs have chalked out plans to oust Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng. According to Impact News sources, 14 out of total 21 BJP MLAs of the state submitted a signed letter to the convener of Northeast Democratic Alliance Assam's Finance Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma through 5 BJP MLAs urging him to replace Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng around 11 a.m. yesterday. The 5 BJP MLAs reportedly held conversation with party leader Hemanta Biswa Sarma at his office in Guwahati regarding cabinet reshuffle. Sources also confirmed that the party leader assured of looking into the matter. The 14 BJP MLAs reportedly asserted that proposal to remove Chief Minister and Bireng is to bring about a better governance in the state. Sources also said that 2 other BJP MLAs are ready to join in the plan to oust and Bireng. It may be mentioned that there is strife between Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireng and Works Minister Thongam Biswajit regarding ministry reshuffle. Forest and Environment Minister Thongnauzam Shyamkumar today disclosed that the state government has sent a proposal to Wildlife Institute of India to renovate State Zoological Garden through the director concerned. He was speaking at the inaugural event of the first ever veterinary hospital of Manipur Zoological Garden at Iroisemba in Imphal West. A well-built breeding ground for slow lorries, locally known as Yong Ikai Thibi, was also inaugurated, and animals of the breed were set free to the newly constructed homes on the occasion. Minister Shyamkumar also assured that state funds will even be utilized to renovate the zoological garden, although it is operated by the Wildlife Institute of India. The Forest Minister called upon everyone to volunteer oneself in protecting and preserving wildlife and environment to ensure human existence. Directors, officers and staffs of the relevant government departments took part in the event.
Infrastructure sagale sele magi doctors lefum to staffs mayam singa du kogi doctor khal lai ama lai re dagi magi kari attendance da kalai mayam singa du state government na forest department na koi da ka sing do koi thangani sigi pandam di koi phem si ngakpa lamnaki sau chek sing yaudana koi miyom ni hingba yade koi kang yade habi pandam da koi pakhalakpa koi khongthang amani aduna aina appeal to madudi Manipur praja mayam da lamnaki sau sing bunung sibiyo amadi koi bi phem sing bu mausa khanbo koi kahen biganu u thaba sau chek sing bu hatpi daba moi ben nungsiba ada mi ba khoi su ning khatam na nungaina tangla malim chi hingba yagani haba paujin se mayam da pije.
Initiatives of the state government to save the endangered Manipuri pony has rendered futile. A mare of the endangered species succumbed to her injuries caused by iron spikes of a fence. Owner of the mare is one Mahanti from Yairipok. The incident occurred between Thaubal Mela ground and Imphal More around 6 a.m. yesterday. Sources said that locals tried to capture the mare who just escaped her stable. But unfortunately, the mare was speared by iron spikes of a fence while she tried to cross over it. Upon hearing the news, People for Animals team rushed to the spot to tend to the injured mare, but she succumbed to her injuries. Meanwhile, video clippings of the mayor trying to cross the fence has gone viral on social media platforms such as Facebook and WhatsApp. The situation calls for effective implementation of Manipur Pony Conservation and Development Policy and dedication of the relevant department and authority to prevent such mishaps in the future. Singzamai Market, a significant place under Imphal Municipal Corporation, is in a deplorable condition. Market vendors are facing major inconveniences due to lack of waste disposal system and sanitation facility. Meanwhile, the foot of Singzamai Bridge has become a dumping ground. Impact News reporter Lalpal Wahingbam and camera person Arambam Yohen brings you an exclusive report.
I know Singzamai Kaiteldani, Hari Mahmosi, Impal Municipal Corporation, Kwanba, Hibadi, I am Sinakonba Impal, Manus and Mahum Simunda, Yam Maru, Bampamani. Other activity, Mahomasi, Kogi, Matomon Kando, Monda, Kogi, Tonkomosida, Amokai Kalang, and Manama Morga, Impal Turelge, Satamasi, Yamna Mastivagi film the Lai, Adugolena, Sing Mosanbagi, Sang the Su, Omokai Lang, Pusinam Morga, Mating Yam Sound upon Bagi Sakama Uri, Matang Sida, Kogi, Katil Pambi Masingi, Kaimo Levegi Habado, my Ampunami in Taminasi.
Singzamai di people yam chadre da akoi Singzamai ka thel sigi mapali pan thokpham parking adagi lambian sorok adagi mai nung kari kara se phajana semhanninge
aduga akhoi garbage ki amona kai hundokpham gi sisu yam aso issue mo oiba male
amola kai hundokpham se leitabana maram oidana ima iben singje haji achi yam wari kana guma mana turial da phatawdi thadaganu haidana sai sida leiriba singjina laaga thadardana taw ima iben sina madunga I aduna sidai sida phatawdi thamnana ba ama sembiyo haiba asisu akoina haijani
aduga kaithel phamba singi amona kai di kadai do
amola kai se yumda puba chu yaure sai de hundo amba chu yaure
Pasina moina punglang da lang jala me adai ju la la aga mathong marang khang da bading jira khoi phongam da ba kara tonga ga ju lai adai gari macha mayom jo athol lom dagi ama dagi pulak ta la aga ne hun to ba pai achi mai ge ji da moi ne yel yoliba adagi nga yoliba moi ge chen ta le adagi moi ge haidok phong khang da baduna sai da loina thame chai le adu da di mayam indukti ising na ga kangjala abanina madai toti ne chingkhala thai ni da adu loi pumba parda puna mangloi na dori ne ba
Namti bana jersey do le khoi phang ngam dar adu di tori manung je hundok pi le khoi sing thang tu ka sare
adu abo kaithel ga amona kai sing si kadom da hundok pi kamai
mari khadien ga mola kai se hoji hoji mayam thada me torian thade tri sin jamai ge khoi se ka hang gon hada khong ham tu hong la kai nei te mo le sabi da mina adu hoji ge phata ba du hundok phom nei jate adu khoi je khoi na pa mi je khong ham tham bi ba adu phata ba du hafam tham ba pa
public ki kaithel ama leraga toilet mafam chadaba paper dagi kaidagi thammaga chu sigi yongnadi amol akai sengdokna ba yaude haiba
maruina akhoi gi garbage sing amona kai langthokpham sim hom chana leitaba aduga dustbin na sing musu leitaba no moraga singmei thongkhong ji amosan bagi mami ma chawna tai si matang ji kari wa hom phung ing ba leba
si matang ji da sigi mole ba kai leba singge tawdana ba akhoi gi mafam chana dustbin thambi ba adagi kaithel achuk chawna leiraga imai ben mayam ama kaithen karaga public toilet mafam marang khang da gai leiriba awaba mayam se leheningde
Manipur government ki toan department sing amadi NGO sing na World Environment Day palan tawtuna malem pithibi singak na widamakta usara kya tharabasu singmei kaithel di mahu panda go chap manare kaithel asi toilet attending thina leitaba amadi amon kai hundokpham garbage na chingba matik sana leitaba no mo orega kaithel phambi ima singna khudong cha daw kya mayonari matang asida laiwa wahamdi World Environment Day pangthok pa basi usara thaba khakna apung pharabra basi achau hang am oiri Paudum Jariba, Lalpal Wahimongoloina, UN Arambam, Impact News, Impal.
International peace and social advancement has demanded authorities concerned to conduct a major boundary demarcation of every district in the state at the earliest to put an end to boundary-related issues. Speaking to media at IPSA office today, IPSA President Joy Chandra Konthaujam stated that boundary land controversies bring strife and animosity among communities of the state. He maintained that many hill districts come under valley as per land revenue area, which can trigger communal strife.
Jiri district jaga ache amadi Tamenglong district ki jaga ache land revenue area na Jiri district ki area oi masidai sida khana chaina na bagi macha ama ngarang da su miyam ne hena khangnari baduni media da hairi ba jaga ache Tamenglong ki jaga ni hairi ba jaga ache Jiri jaga ni haina khana chaina ba ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯆꯤꯜ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅꯗꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯅꯕ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯄꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯂꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯏꯞꯁꯥꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯀ ꯍꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
Locals of 44 ITB local asserted that the farmlands were sold off to government at lowered rate in the hope getting a sports university. They condemned the proposed construction of a mega food park at the farmland against their wish. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, representative of the villagers cum secretary of Affected Land Owners Association against the construction of mega food park at 44 YTB local, Kaisham Maniha, stated that the local residents sold their lands at minimal rate to the government in the hope that construction of a sports university in the farmland will create jobs. He demanded to give back the lands if there is no plan to construct the sports university.
Mega food park sagani haina plan torok liba masigi akoibada amadi manungda leiriba khunjasing haibadi Langthabal Khunau Sora Laijing Minau Koijam village amadi tongan ba khungangsingdagi lau uduna leiriba lomi aikoi punamagna akoi punamag yamna thina condemn taujei akoi jajaningde ayaba pikhibasu leite maramdi lomi aikoi ge amakhakta ngaireba asigumlaba maman yamlaba lofam asidagi thoglakpa chathok phokthok aduna aikoigi hingnanabagi amakhakta ngairaba pambaini karigumba mega food park asi sakhiba tarabadi lomi aikoigi hingnanabagi atopa upay ama leiraktre lobuk sing asi sungjoi soidina mangkhragani aikoigi chakhau sungjoi soidina thatkhragani haibagi mipaiba leijai YTB Lokonda National University Sanagwi Damakta Lausin Kiba Lam Ase Sagani Haina process kana Takumatanda Tenden Gomena Masi Sing Ase Lobuk Sing Chogan Bayaroi Haina
Non-functional water supply scheme at Oinam in Bisnupur district has brought water crisis in the area. Speaking to media at Oinam today, convener of Action Committee for Drinking Water Oinam Hemanta claimed that the accelerated urban water supply scheme in Tingai Kuno was constructed in 2004 without proper commission and hence lacks proper infrastructure. He mentioned that the local residents submitted a written request to the relevant department to repair the water supply on May 31. However, authority concerned failed to pay heed to the request. Hemanta warned of intense hesitation if authorities concerned fail to take measures at the earliest to end the water scarcity plight facing the local residents.
Water supply scheme ama lairiba si mathau khar doisu taunanam gidamakta maintain taunanam honade sakhairaga tauningba tawbagi mawong khara ulakpase singa sina asawbagi adugumba aikoita phumhangdabagi adugumba wakhalol mayam ama ngasidi omaga leramatu sakhalakpani sina maram akanda aikoina ijidi salasi han boina sangalakpani ijidi salasi ki numisleida karigumba makoina taraktab taragati ikuidana aikoina bisnumbu district ki oiba adugumba matam kharagi oiba didimbal amak thoina kawrakane se aikoina thajabani.
The Assam Rifles personnel arrested recently by Imphal police on charges of being involved in extortion operated by prescribed leader of KCP Nando Group, Nando Luang, while he was still at Jenim Special Ward, was produced before Chief Judicial Magistrate First Class 1 Imphal today. The Assam Rifles personnel is identified as 36-year-old Ningthausam Sankar, son of an Inaucha from Hairok Part 2 of Thawal district. He was produced before court Judge Lanlaima at around 10:30 a.m. Sankar's counsel pleaded for bail grant, but investigating officer of the case told the judge that the case is still under investigation. Subsequently, further discussion on granting of bail was dropped. The court ordered to put the Assam Rifles Jawan into judicial custody till June 26. Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms Personnel Division, Government of Manipur has notified to all government departments including agencies, societies, undertakings, boards and corporations to put on hold any recruitment process currently undertaken by them, whether for regular, contract, casual or ad hoc appointments with immediate effect. Special Secretary of the department in a press release further instructed that no recruitment process shall be resumed or initiated without specific permission or instruction from the department. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you an exclusive report on the heart-wrenching condition of 6 surviving children of late Malimngau and Laikongneng Singshon, who died in the recent Barak boat capsize incident. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Condition of the 6 surviving children of lead Manglengau and Laikoneng Singshon, who died in the recent Barak boat capsize incident, is heart-wrenching. Impact News brings you an exclusive report.
12-year-old Nimneva Singson, surviving daughter of the late God-fearing couple Manglengau and Laikoneng Singson, is still in disbelief that her parents and her eldest sister Tengailing Singson have gone forever. It is indeed heart-wrenching to witness Nimneva and her 5 younger siblings missing their parents dearly and living at the mercy of others in the remote hilly village Kaimai. Manglengau and Laikoneng Singson and their eldest daughter, Tengailing, were collecting snails for their livelihood at Barak River when their boat capsized on May 29. All 3 died in the unfortunate incident, leaving behind minor girl Nimneva with the responsibility of looking after her 5 younger siblings. ADC member of Pahaiton constituency Haltleang Dongel appeals to the government and the relevant department to extend necessary assistance to the orphans.
Angang tarup si mayamna khunja oirabasu aigi saita oirabasu aduga CSO oirabasu kayam kuina yengsinba ngamgani mayamsu macha masu leiba ngaktani suba nomba ngaktani hentuma oina chara thiba ngaktani adunina government side tagi si angang mayamsi khara mityeng changbiraga makhoi tunggi punsi se kramaina hingadra haibasi khara yengbina ba ai appeal tawjari.
Social activist Lamkhuman Kipgen, who is driving along with CSOs and various other organizations to rehabilitate the children, expressed disappointment that the relevant authorities have failed to extend necessary assistance or to take any measures to secure the life of the 6 destitute minors till date.
Even si hore hojik hinghuri ba angang taruk se yengbada ikoi thamu yam soi aduga wakhan su yam nuaite thoido hoina amka haibada ngasi phau ikhoina ikoi khunja sing organization topa ga ikhoi wari sabada ngasi phause ikhoi gi local MLA oiro aduga minister oiro kana oiro ngasi phause khun sida changrak te se ikhoi tabada yam nungai taba phung doi acho sangi mi oiredi siredi ex gracer su piba aduga yamna min su thagat pa aduga leitaba lider ba leitaba kangbuna thabak tho adi kana na su government se yengbi der se utpara yatla student organization ngasi lakpa singsena nungai taba highest order da ikhoi phung doi.
Vice President of Kuki Kanglai Lompi Tamenglong Ziribam, Haupo Singson, also stated that relevant authorities have failed to come forth to help the children till date. He condemned the government for ignoring the plights facing people of the state, especially in remote areas.
Hojik phause government gi tarap tasu masi toba yagani asi towo haibasu I paum ta leite smaina togani su victim family da asa su pi ba leite ekoi gi local MLA oigera natraga DC dagi government tarap dagi masi phangba yae masi tobi ba yagani haibadi pau di leite.
For camera person Bisorjit Namairakpam and reporter Bhakta Tarangbam, this is Joyce Usham, Impact News.
Art and Culture Department, in collaboration with State Tourism Department, Hero Foundation and Yangon-based Mijima Media Group will document Northeast folk music and instruments to telecast for the first time in Myanmar. Documentation on folk music and instruments by renowned folk artists of Assam, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, Funingding Kathar of Karbi Anglong, folk artists of Manipur, Guru Ruben Mangsawa and other eminent folk artists of Manipur and Northeast states will be held from June 22 till 25 to be telecast on Mijima TV channel. Speaking to media at the conference hall of the Art and Culture Department in Palace Compound today, Editor-in-Chief of Mijima Media Group, So Min, stated that there are many similarities between folk music and instruments of Manipur and Myanmar. He asserted that the program will expose the people of Myanmar on the folk music and instruments of the Northeast states, including Manipur. He maintained that many folk artists of Myanmar will also take part in the documentation program to be held at Ibudao Marjing Tourism Center in Haingang. Taking part in the meet, renowned folk artists of Manipur, Guru Ruben Mangsawa, lamented at the lack of proper platform to expose folk music and instrument of the Northeast states, including Manipur. He lauded Mijima Media Group for taking the initiative to conduct the documentation program. An event titled Northeast Folk Music Roots will be held at JN Dance Academy, followed by a folk show of Guru Funingding Kathar at ISBT in Chingmairong on June 27. Director of Art and Culture Department A. Sivadash Sarma and MD of Hero Foundation, Hero Thokchom, were present in the press meet.
People in Myanmar, through our TV channel, broadcast, will be able to understand and see the folk music of Manipur and other northeastern states of India. I was so pleased to learn that you have Manipuri film, Mandali Metal, was shot in Myanmar. In Bagan, in Ainley and in Mandalay, and we are very happy to broadcast Manipuri film in Myanmar subtitle, Burmese subtitle in Myanmar through our TV channel. I think through such activities we can promote friendship, understanding of the peoples of both sides.
District Legal Service Authority, District Bar Association and District Administration Bisnupur jointly held one-day mega legal service camp at the multi-purpose hall of DC Complex, Bisnupur today. Experts stress on how to use legal help to obtain one's right. Official of the Social Welfare Department initiated process to provide all-age pension to senior citizens of the area, and a free medical camp was also conducted on the occasion. Speaking to media, President of Bisnupur District Bar Association, Irengbam Jugeshwar, stated that the event aimed to raise awareness on how to obtain one's basic human rights. He appealed to approach legal aid clinics for necessary help in securing one's right. Manipur joined the rest of the world in observing World Day Against Child Labour today. District Legal Service Authority, Thoubal and Legal Ad Clinic jointly held the event at Hairok Highest Secondary School in Thoubal District. Legal experts stress on the topic like child labor and children and the protection on the occasion. All Manipur Students Transport Association carried out a protest demonstration at Sawombung Market today, condemning the recent incident of setting ablaze of one van of Arena School in the adjoining night of June 9 and 10. Speaking to media, Mr. General Secretary Jimmy termed the incident as unfortunate. He warned of intense hesitations if those involved in the incident failed to clarify within 5 days.
February ki first week swai sida school Catholic Society makha lebe school khara akhoi gi moina athing bas akhoi amai thab ji report che akhoi site gi tawre forensic la ame adagi lamlai PS tore case amre start tawre ade forensic la CID kangula ame mo investigate tawri moina su akhoi ngonda noi ga haidi association ga or maga personally nuai da kai lebe no haiba potu gi report am pio investigation da moi gi hena khudung chana na ba adu akhoi site di adum personal threat ti leite na mai personal threat su leite haire masana ko ade sta da su adum ba ki khang si taw gani si
United Progressive Club has felicitated students of Wangjing Wangkai Leikha in Thoubal District who successfully passed in this year's class 10 and 12 examinations. The felicitation program was held at the community hall of Wangjing Leikol yesterday. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Unhappy with proposed reshuffling of ministerial posts, 14 BJP MLAs chalk out plans to oust Chief Minister Nongkombam Bireng. Forest Minister T.H. Syamkumar says government has sent proposal to renovate State Zoological Garden to Wildlife Institute of India. Despite efforts of government to save endangered Manipuri pony, one mare of the endangered breed succumbed to injuries caused by iron spikes of a fence. And documentary on Northeast folk music and instrument will be telecast for the first time in Myanmar by Yangon-based Mizima Media Group.